Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you the only way to actually hide your followers as well as your following list on your Instagram account. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started. So in today's video, I'm about to simply show you how you can hide your Instagram's followers as well as following lists. Don't worry, you can do this from your mobile as well. I'm going to simply show you on my PC. So once you are on your device, what you want to do is simply make sure first of all you have an internet connection. After that, you want to simply open your browser, or if you are on your app, then you can simply open Instagram app. In my case, in the search box, I'm going to simply type in instagram.com and then head over to Instagram right over here. And I assume you are already logged into your account. If not, then do so by entering your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on your profile name. As you go to your profile name, it will take you to this profile page. Once you are on your profile page, what you want to do is at the top of the screen, you want to simply select edit profile. And once you tap on edit profile, you can see this is how the interface of this is going to look like. You can also repeat the same process for your mobile version. You can tap on your profile at the bottom right hand corner and then tap on edit profile. Once you go to edit profile, what you want to do is you want to simply head over to privacy and security at the left hand side of the screen. So first of all, the thing I'm going to say you is that the only way to hide your followers and following list on Instagram is to actually make your account private. So if your account is private, the people who don't follow you will not be able to see your following list as well as followers list. And then also, if they try to request to follow you, it is upon you to decide whether you want to accept their following request or not. So in order to make your account private, at the top of the screen you can see the option called private account. If you want to read further, right over here it says, when your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos and videos on Instagram. Your existing followers won't be affected. See, only people whom you approve will be able to see your followers following list, your pictures, photos, videos and so on, as well as your current followers will not be affected. So if you want to check this option, go ahead and tap on private account. You want to turn on private account. Now any people who don't follow you on Instagram will not be able to see your follower list as well as your following list, as well as your photos and videos and so on. So in this way, you can really easily hide your followers as well as following lists on this Instagram app or website. We hope this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.